Hey, my guys, how are you? Um, so we are in our very last week of new content. Um, some and many of you are behind at this point. I have a few concerns for some of you guys about getting caught up. Um, but just for this week's content, what we're going to be working on. We are still reading The Red-Headed League. If you join us for our sessions, we are going to pick up in part 4 and probably do part 5. We did get through part 1 and part 2 last week, and I left part 3 for you guys to finish up on your own. But again, we go through these, look at questions and answers. We talk through the material, and I record it, so hopefully that helps you guys. But this is our last week of new content, so um, hit it hard, try to get caught up as best you can. And those of you who are staying caught up, thank you very much. It makes my job much easier and makes my stress and concern for you much lower as well. So that's all I have for you guys. But if you do have questions or concerns or need extra help, please don't hesitate to reach out and speak with me. So I'll catch up with you guys later.